So in this video, we want to answer the question, is BigBear.ai the next Palantir? Palantir is trading north of $70 and is up more than 3x for the year. Now, if you compare that to BigBear.ai, it is up roughly 100% for the year. Now, why are we comparing BigBear.ai to Palantir? Well, they share similar similarities in their AI solutions, but the price action has been very different between the two companies. Now, before we get into the charts on BigBear.ai, let's look at this article, and it is coming from the Motley Fool. So, could BigBear.ai be the next Palantir? Well, it has a $550 million market cap, and that's tiny compared to Palantir, which is trading at north of 150 billion. Despite this substantial size difference, two companies have some similarities. Both specialize in AI and machine learning cloud-based software that helps organizations analyze complex data sets to gain predictive insight. Now, features such as Gen AI and workflow automation are providing and proving to be a game changer for productivity, capturing strong demand from businesses across all corners of the economy. On this point, Palantir has been more successful thus far with comprehensive end-to-end solutions, while BigBear.ai is only just building traction by targeting niche markets with specialized offerings. A major theme for Palantir has been its ability to expand beyond historical government and defense sector, with a focus more moving towards commercial applications. On the other hand, BigBear.ai is still missing that breakout moment, with the bulk of its business driven by a handful of large DoD contracts. In contrast to Palantir, BigBear.ai is not currently profitable. It continues to lose cash, which has kept its stock price under pressure. If BigBear.ai is going to be the next Palantir, it will need to drive and deliver much stronger growth. Now, one favorable thing going in BigBear.ai's favor is it's trading at a price to sales ratio of 4 compared to a staggering 54 for Palantir. Nevertheless, the key difference for investors is not whether BigBear.ai will be more valuable than Palantir, but if the stock can deliver a similar level of multi-bag performance. Alright, so let's get into the charts on BigBear.ai. We're going to go to the monthly chart, and we can see how price created a monthly buy level back in February of 2023. You had this drop in price based in the rally, and you knew that there were buyers waiting to get their orders filled, as you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches below that $1.50 level. Nevertheless, for the past couple of months, we have seen price move higher. And now I do have two targets. One is at $4, one is at $6.50. Why did I pick those levels? Well, we do have evidence of rejection wicks, and we have another evidence of a rejection wick at $6.50. Now, taking it down to the weekly chart, again, this is part of that move higher that we saw on the monthly chart in the form of two green candles, and you can see how your moving average is starting to turn up, signifying that price is in an uptrend. And if I look at current price and I go to the left, there is nothing stopping price from moving to this $4 level, meaning there are no sell levels, as this is an extended range red candle. So with that said, if we go to the daily chart, well, we missed the best entry to go long. That was this level here. You have this rally, base, and that gap higher, that's equivalent to an extended range green candle. Now, for the bulls who want to get long, the charts are suggesting that there are still more unfilled buy orders. Now, how do I know that? Because price never penetrated more than 50% of this zone. So again, looking at current price and going to the left, what we saw on the weekly chart was an extended range red candle, and what we see on the daily chart is this gap. So there are no sell levels here, which tells you that it should be smooth sailing up to this $4 level. So what's the setup? The charts are suggesting if you get a pullback to that daily buy level, one can go long with a target at that $4 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.